Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Rust is crashing on startup and not launching. So if you press start and basically you will have a loading screen like this. So I will show you what is happening here. You will have a loading screen and then Rust will completely close out, and basically here it will be not play button but stop. So this means basically Rust will completely stop. So I will show you how we can fix it. And nothing happens and I just need to press play button again. So I will show you how you can fix that. So what you need to do here is to increase your virtual memory. And to do so, you just need to go to advanced appearance, or I forgot how it's called. Adjust the appearance, right? Adjust the appearance. And then you just need to go to advanced, and then you need to look for virtual memory. Select the disk where your game is installed and then select custom size. So how I got this number here. So I have 16 gigabytes of RAM. So what I need to do here is to multiply 16 times 2000, right? And then I got 32,000. So go to with initial 32,000 and maximum. Set it, okay. And then just run the game and it will work, as you can see here now. Let's wait together and you will see that this thing here is working. So let me load it up. And guys, if it's not working, then tell me in the comment section below. It can be something with a firewall settings. So basically, sometimes game do not, your computer do not allow Rust through Windows Defender Firewall. So make sure, if it's not working, make sure to comment and I will create new video about it as well. This is a super simple fix. And as you can see here, the game should load in any moment now. I don't want to skip the video because I wanted to show that this is actually working and there is no some sort of cutting thing here or whatsoever. This method is really working. Finalizing, it should be working any moment now. Yeah, as you can see here, it's perfectly working. So if I help you out, please press like.